Tackle your toughest on-the-go cleaning tasks with the SPX202C Cordless Portable Pressure Washer from Sunjoe. The eco-friendly cordless 11-amp unit is perfect anywhere power's at a premium and just the right size to take everywhere you go when you want to blast away stubborn gunk, grease, and grime. Pump up to 1.48 gallons per minute to get really clean really fast. And with up to 725 psi of max cleaning power, it's perfect for loads of light to medium duty jobs around the auto, deck, boat, porch, patio, and more. Perfectly portable, lightweight, and compact at less than 9 pounds, SPX202C will be your go-to tool when it's time to tackle your next cleaning project. And you'll always clean smarter, not harder, with Sunjoe's exclusive built-in total stop system, which automatically shuts off both pump and power when the trigger's not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. And with its onboard 10.1 fluid ounce detergent tank and included refillable bladder to take the water to the work, you'll always be ready to give your cleaning blast a soapy boost anywhere the garden hose can't go. And every SPX202C is backed by Sunjoe's complete 2-year warranty. So skip the bulky pressure washer and get ready to clean on the go with Joe, the SPX202C Cordless Portable Pressure Washer from Sunjoe. Get equipped.